Long Island also dealing with the effects of the rain. Carolyn Gusoff continues our team coverage live in Freeport with what residents are dealing with right now. Carolyn.
Cindy, this is really a tricky situation. It seems to be changing by the moment. Right now, it's windy, and the Great South Bay behind me is not churning up as it was just 10 minutes ago when a cell came through here, and it was so windy you couldn't even really stand up. It was hard to get the car door open, and driving, as we just did from the North Shore to the South Shore to here in Freeport, it was really hard to maintain a lane on the Meadowbrook Parkway. That's how strong the winds are today, and it's going to continue through the day. Take a look right now at what's going on in Old Country Road in Coral Place. It's closed where power lines came down through a busy intersection right off the Meadowbrook Parkway. It's been closed to traffic while crews work to repair the power lines that came down, and we're going to be seeing that through the day. At Jones Beach, we saw parking field 4. Ocean waters rose and flooded the parking lot, and that's going to mean beach erosion for this storm. And this is what a drive through Freeport looks like. Side streets flooded, holiday decor and flags whipping. I spoke a few minutes ago with Suffolk County Executive Edward Romaine, and he had these words of caution.
If you don't have to drive today, don't drive. We're having rain with gusts of wind up to 50 miles an hour. It's going to pass over. It will be over in a few hours, but the roads are ponding. It's going to freeze tonight. Be careful going out there. There's trees down. Make sure before you go out that you let someone know that you're leaving and where you're going to.
And the county executive adds that it's going to be bad till at least 6, 7 o'clock at night. And then, as he said, things are going to freeze, so the roads are going to be slick. He said he's not so concerned about flash flooding. That means rain. He's more concerned about power lines down, trees down, and low-lying areas like this one flooding. Reporting live from Freeport, Cindy, back to you.
Carolyn, thank you. In White Plains, the Bronx River Parkway could be seen with a lot of standing water. Crews captured drivers going through the flooding, some of them driving slowly the way they should be. Back in Suffolk County, we are seeing more damage from today's storm. Take a look at this video from Lindenhurst. Massive tree is down on its side near South Broadway and 2nd Avenue. We're told the tree also hit a pole, which fell and hit a car. Luckily, there are no reports of any injuries. And the high wind is slowing departures at the airports. According to the FAA, airplanes leaving JFK Airport are being delayed between 30 and 45 minutes, the same at Newark Airport. At LaGuardia, planes are being delayed 15 to 30 minutes. Stay with CBS News New York and our team of meteorologists today as they continue to track the rain and the falling temperatures. Look for their updates today at 2, 3, and 4 o'clock.